बायलांमध्ये जावपी खंयचीं दुयेंसां चडशीं आमकां दिसून येतात?
पहिले म्हणटकच की वी हॅव different age groups of women. In different age groups, different conditions of orthopedics can be seen.
Yes.
In younger age groups, it will be more of pertaining to injuries. मार लागलो, केळटाना मार लागलो, अशें वेगळे जावपाचें शकता. As the girl goes up by age, it is basically seen that when she starts her menarche, that is पाळी जातकच चोडवाचे तेका she'll experience a different thing, type of issues. And as they progress, maybe during pregnancy, there will be different conditions.
Correct.
And then as you approach menopause, पाळी एकदमच बंद जातकच, that is menopause, that time you have estrogen level जे असता in the body, that reduces. And when that reduces, it affects the bones.
Achha.
And the bone density reduces. So when this happens, there is more tendency of getting fractures. There is weakness in bones. And the basic structure of the woman also is such that the bone density and the bone as such is of a lesser size or lesser stature, you can say, for women. So they are more prone to getting such issues. So in different age groups, according to where they are, in each age group, there will be different problems.